What, what, what letter is this?
L?
This is not L. This is the J.
J? That's J?
Yes.
Oh. Oo nga. Baliktad kasi kay Mami, oh. Pag ganito, L. Pero pag ganyan, J. Tapos pag ganyan, L. Eh di J. Oh. Tapos?
Ito
Then?
V.
Mm.
That was in the board. What letter what letter is this? Mommy.
Ano yan?
Ito oh.
Hindi ko makita eh. Patingin. Ulit mo.
What letter is this?
Patingin. Hindi ko naman makita eh.
What shape
O?
is this?
Shape? Triangle.
This is not a triangle.
What? What shape?
What shape is this?
Nasina.
What shape is this?
Triangle.
This is not the triangle.
Eh ano?
This is a pyramid.
Pyramid? Triangle din ang pyramid. Niloloko mo si Mami, ha?
This is not the triangle. Ito yung pyramid, oh. Ito.
Okay, pyramid na.
Ano ito? Mami.
Pyramid. Ay, sira na.
Hindi yun si Ono.
Sira na, hindi Ana.
Sira na? Ano? What color is this?
White.
What color is this?
White yan, color eh.
What color is this?
Itong case, color pink.
What color is this?
White.
What color is this? What color?
Violet.
What color is this? Ray Baba. What color is this?
Black. That's a black pen.
What color is this?
White and red.
This is not the red. This is the pink.
Red yan eh.
Pink.
Red.
What color is this?
Alin, yung door?
Ito?
White.
What color is this?
Brown.
What color is this?
White, diba? Dirty white.
Huh?
Dirty white. Cream.
What color is this?
Brown.
What color is this?
Brown nga, diba?
What color is this?
Brown.
What color is this?
Transparent.
Window yan eh. Window.
Eh, gusto ko yung letters. Tanong mo sa Mami yung letters. Dali, gumawa ka dyan.
Shape.
Sige, shapes na lang.
Color.
Hindi yan, sa straw. Sa straw.
Color. Color. What color is this? This.
What?